Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through this fault code here, B1731. This is a Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 diesel, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll give you some of the signs and symptoms. Thank you. I'll give you some of the should we say symptoms. So what you'll get is the engine will probably cut out, you'll get loss of power, it'll go into limp mode, it'll judder. It all goes back to this fault code here. And this relates back to the ECU, as far as I know. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but the ECU is what stores all the, power, everything that the car runs on, in other words. So what this tells me is there is something wrong with the ECU. Before you do anything with the ECU, I check the fuse board, make sure everything's fine. If that's fine, check the wiring loom, make sure there's power going to every single wiring. If that's okay, then you move on to the ECU, which is probably the most dearest thing that you can touch. There's ways about it. Well, the first way, best option would be it's a DIY job, if you ask me. Take it off, find someone online, they can clone it, or you buy another ECU and you send it off and they'll clone it. The reality is they'll send the original one off, someone out there for a few hundred, depends who does it and who not, and they'll do it, they'll send it back to you. All you do is plug and play. But that's if it is the ECU corrupt and not the wiring. That's why we always say check the wiring, the fuse board, and then move on. But that's what that is, and that is